Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. On salue nous tous quel soit le web suivant. Nous avec Milan, Pierre-Jérôme, un footballeur haïtien, l'équipe haïtienne qui va représenter Haïti en Australie dans the World Cup, the Women World Cup. Good evening, greetings to everyone again. We are here with Milan Pierre-Jérôme. She's one of the star players making history representing Haiti at the Women World Cup in Australia this summer. So Milan, what does it mean to you as a young Haitian to be representing our country?
It means everything to me to be able to put a smile on on our country's face and just be able to represent them in a positive light. Just stepping on the field and representing that crest is something that I don't take lightly. So just being able to do that is something that I'm really blessed to do.
And now, Milan, so I know it's college. Danielle is graduating. Have you graduated? Are you on your way to graduate?
Yes.
Where are you?
I graduate next year, 2024.
2024.
Yes.
So why is college still matters to young people?
Because you never know what's going to happen. You always need to have your education. So just being able to still play on the field, but also get my education and still have that degree, no matter what.
Awesome. Now, last question, right? The youth today are facing a lot of adversities, right? And they want to give up. They don't want to continue. They don't want to do anything, right? What message would you send to them facing adversity?
Everything happens for a reason, things make you stronger, and just being able to get past that and learn from your experiences keeps you going. So just know that continuing to go and move forward is something that you should do, and just keep that going.
Milan, good luck to you at the World Cup, and I know we're going to make better history because we're going to win it, right?